Good evening. In present, everyone is very busy because they have lots of work to do, as well as they try to they are having a hard time. That reason is they try to live a rich life. Why we don't think about simple life? If we think about simple life, we can live good and happy life. So today I like to talk about what is simple life and what are the advantages of simple life. Simple life means the life with limited needs, wants, less responsibilities and easy life. Simple life is a lifestyle, but it is not strictly followed by everyone in the same way. Sant Kabir Das, Mahatma Gandhi, Pope Francis, Lord Buddha, Abraham Lincoln are some examples for leading a simple life. So, everyone can live in a simple life. It is not difficult. I like to talk about simple life under 3 points. First one is, what are the typical elements for living a simple life? Secondly, what are the reasons to lead a simple life? Third one is, what are the ways to lead a simple life? First one is, what are the typical elements? Living with what you already have. Following a simple diet. Reducing waste output and living on small carbon footprint are examples for typical elements. As I mentioned, those everything are important for living a simple life. Secondly, what are the reasons to lead a simple life? First one is get closer to our family. This is very important because today everyone living alone or an artificial life. So simple life helps us to close our family. Recognize our true self. It is next one. Many people find new things for satisfaction themselves. So if we stop looking for more and more things, we can spend time with ourselves. Controlling our feelings is third one. Because our wants are unlimited. So if we control our feelings, we can stay content and happy life. Lastly, low stress level and balanced life. This is help to remain our money and time. So leading a simple life helps us many things. Third one is, what are the ways to lead a simple life? First one is identify difference between your needs and wants. This is very important point because our needs are limited but wants are unlimited. So, if we want to lead a simple life, we must only keep the things of necessity. Focus on inner peace is second one. That means people find their happiness in outdoors, such as go to malls, shopping, try cuisines, and many activities. So I think those are unnecessary. We should, to live a simple life, we must focus on inner peace. Help others. This is another next point. This is help to us to live a simple life. Because if we help others, we can get happy for our life. So help others is good point for lead a simple life. Finally, relax. Relaxation is a need for everyone. And relaxation focus on positives in life. So those everything are important for lead a simple life. Finally, think positively. Then you can live a simple life. Thank you.